Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing the MacBook Pro Retina 2015 so the update won't fail. First, connect power and confirm battery is at least 50%. This prevents mid-install shutdowns. Next, back up with Time Machine or create a clone. Once done, you can revert if something goes wrong. Make sure to free about 15 to 20 GB of disk space by removing large files. This reduces installation errors. Finally, note your Wi-Fi network and password so you can keep the connection stable during the download. You now download and install the update using Software Update in System Preferences because it verifies compatibility for your 2015 Retina. Once you click Download, the system checks files and prepares the installer. This can take 30 to 90 minutes depending on connection and SSD speed. While downloading, keep the Mac awake and connected to power, otherwise the process may pause. When prompted, click Install and allow the Mac to restart. Do not interrupt the restart sequence, since corruption can occur if you force quit during package installation. You complete the process by confirming the new macOS version under About This Mac so you know the update succeeded. Then check apps and restore files from your backup if any settings changed. Once satisfied, install app updates via the App Store. If something goes wrong, try one key troubleshooting step. Reset nvram/pram and boot into safe mode to run the installer again, because that clears low-level caches and prevents third-party extensions from blocking setup. If problems persist, use Internet Recovery to reinstall the OS.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.